How to fix bad quality TikTok uploads. First thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure that your TikTok is updated to the latest version. And you can do that by going to Play Store. Go ahead and type TikTok at the search bar at the very top. And where mine says open, if yours is saying update, go ahead and click that update button and make sure TikTok is of the latest version. So the next thing you can do is open TikTok. Go ahead and click the plus sign at the very bottom. So if you upload a photo or a video directly from this part right here using the TikTok camera, then your TikTok video will be of a better quality. So if you're wanting to upload it directly from your gallery, go ahead and click on upload next to the start button and select the video that you want to upload. So go ahead and click on next. Now before pressing post, wait for a few seconds for a few time before pressing this post sign at the very bottom so it can be properly loaded. And if you do this, then your video will be of a better quality. So that is how to fix bad quality TikTok uploads.